Okay. Hi. I'm Kate. And I'm bored. But my birthday was like on the 20th. So yeah. This new song. You'll probably know it anyway, so here we go. Sorry, I forgot. Anyway, I'll sing it later. Anyway, I don't know what to talk about. My friend is going to be here tomorrow. So, yeah. Well, ready? Bye. I'm back. Anyway.